Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Would you buy a Shiba Inu with $1,000? Do you prefer Dogecoin instead? Here are some comments made about it. So let's get started straight away. By the way, it's excellent that the markets are generally looking positive. However, let's go on. As a result, for almost 3 years now, Dogecoin Shiba Inu has been in direct competition with meme coins. Both events have extravagant pomp that stands out among the financial industry. So if you had $1,000, would you choose to purchase Dogecoin or a Shiba Inu when it first crossed the cent threshold in early 2021? Yet to accomplish that amazing achievement. Shibas wanted to achieve 1 cent, while Doge investors wanted to reach $1. According to the polls, 56% of respondents indicated that they would purchase Dogecoin. Additionally, 42.6% indicated they would purchase a Shiba Inu. That is the result of this poll. Well, it's clear that only a small number of people are included in this poll. I therefore want one of my visitors to leave a comment below. A Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, which would you choose? What I would say is as follows: why not neither? Diversification is something I support. I'm not stating that I only buy one token or don't buy another. They both, I believe, have what they need for it. The Shiba Inu, in my opinion, has a minor advantage. As a result, I would probably like Shiba Inus. I have many more dogs than I do CBD. So, that's something to think about. Shiba has, in my opinion, a little more potential in terms of what they're attempting. Elon Musk merely sort of has Dogecoin. But I do believe the cost of things will increase. It isn't a bad token, in my opinion. I predict a price increase. But I also believe that the cost of Shisha will rise. So I enjoy both. My response, which I would probably own, is that if I had $1,000, I would buy both, although I think I would lean more toward the Shiba Inu. In reality, I sort of do that. I possess more CBD than Dutch. But I do think that diversification is important. If I believe in both of them, I don't like buying one and not the other. And I believe that the cost of both may rise. I usually advise spreading your investments since I want to diversify my holdings. Because diversifying increases the likelihood that a token will perform well, especially among microcap tokens, where it only takes one huge winner to make you, life-changing sums of money. Additionally, you don't lose everything if a token declines and disappears, which is always a risk with cryptocurrencies. So the answer to the question is that those surveyed think Dogecoin is superior, which is why they purchase it. However, a sizable and overwhelming number of folks choose Shiba Inu, whereas I went with both, leaning toward GPU. What do you decide then? Post a comment below. This truly caught my attention. Bitcoin 30,000, meanwhile, dropped to 29 once more Tuesday. Today, it's approaching 30,000 again, and the market as a whole is still booming. Right now, literally every single token is in the green. Therefore, everything is currently going very well, and we can only see green. All of our favorite tokens, lots of green. Incredibly cheap microcap tokens. Keep in mind that I already stated that although things were in the red yesterday, they are now in the green. Some of those tokens have now increased by, say, 30%. By the time you finish watching this video, perhaps even more. So now you are aware of coins with extremely low market caps. Depending on the state of the market, I may also send out other warnings throughout the week. So if you're interested in that, I strongly advise joining through the link in the explanation below. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I believe this will continue to boost the price of Bitcoin over the course of the next 48 hours. All coins are likely to perform exceptionally well and start to catch up quickly if Bitcoin can reach $31,000 and a little bit more. So be prepared for the possibility that several different altcoins may experience a huge increase. So many of these tokens ought to be valued roughly twice as much as they are right now. When they catch up, that might happen quickly and could happen overnight, so be prepared for that. Anyway, I cherish you all. I appreciate you viewing, and I'll see you in the next.